Energy is the fundamental need of our everyday life. You know that energy conversion from one form to another is a well known phenomenon. Energy conversion is defined as a process where there is a change in energy from one form to another. There are various types of energy all around us, and these energy sources can be converted from one form to another. Now, let us see an example that light energy can be converted into electrical energy. Now, in this example, you can see the sun rays are falling onto the solar panel, and this solar panel is getting heated. That heat energy is converted into electrical energy. That electrical energy is given to water, and the water starts boiling. So here you have energy symbols. Now for example, you can see that E, which is coming yellow color, that is the light energy. It falls all to the solar panel, and that is getting converted into electrical energy. And this electrical energy, when supplied to water, the water starts heating. You find that, see, the temperature in the thermometer is also rising. Now instead of water, I can take an electric bulb also. You know that when an electricity is supplied to a bulb, the bulb starts glowing. So you can see the bulb is glowing. Instead of that, you can see the bulb is glowing. Instead of that, I can take a electric coil. Electric coil, we know that when it is heated, what happens? The temperature of the coil starts rising, and that raised temperature of the coil is used for heating the water. And one more instrument is there, that is a fan. When the light rays which are coming and fall onto the solar panel and gets converted into electrical energy, the fan starts rotating. So this is a conversion of light energy is getting converted into electrical energy. Then you have that how mechanical energy can be converted into electrical energy. Now see here, if I open this tap, the water starts falling onto this turbine. So because of the pressure of the water, the turbine starts rotating. Again, the mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy, and when electrical energy is given to the fan starts rotating. Again, we can keep the water we can heat the water with the help of electrical energy. You find that the water is getting heated and gets converted into steam. Instead of water, I can connect bulb also. So if you see that if the electrical energy is supplied to the bulb starts glowing. Now next is heat energy. How heat energy can rotate the turbine. So heat energy is first getting converted into mechanical energy, and that mechanical energy will get converted into electrical energy. So first I have to heat the water. So I'll start heating the water. So if you see, when the water is heated, it is getting converted into steam, and the steam is used for rotating the turbine, and that rotation of turbine will create a electrical energy, and that electrical energy, when it is supplied to bulb, the bulb starts glowing. Instead of that, if I take a fan, you find that when the electrical energy is supplied to fan, the fan also starts rotating. The next is mechanical energy. Mechanical energy, this boy is pedaling the bicycle, that is and it is connected to a wheel. So the muscular energy is with the help of muscular energy, the wheel is rotated, and because of that this muscular energy is used for rotating this wheel. And when the wheel is rotated, you find now the boy is tired, so you have to feed with him energy drink. So if we feed him with energy drink, we find that again he start pedaling the bicycle, and because of that the wheel starts rotating, and that rotation of wheel, again mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy, and that electrical energy, if it is supplied to fan, the fan starts rotating. Instead of fan, I can keep water also there. The boy is pedaling, the wheel is rotating, and the water will be heated because of the electrical energy. I have to give him energy drink. So if I give him energy drink, you find that with greater speed he's pedaling the bicycle, and because of that the wheel is rotating, the water is getting heated. So I hope the conversion of energy to one form of another is clear to you. Thank you.